guys, today we are on episode 2 of Wreck This Journal, but before we get started on the new pages, last episode I did page 177, which was close the journal, write, scribble something on the edges. I didn't get a chance to decorate the actual page during that episode. I did, however, do it off camera and I will show it to you now. So on this page, I blended some soft pastels and I drew this flower and colored it in with some markers on a separate piece of paper, and I stuck it on. And I wrote the words love, create, peace, just to kind of tie it in, as those were the words that I wrote on my edges. And on this page, I cut out a brown paper bag and I stuck it on and decorated it like the cover. And then I just colored in the edges. Okay, so moving on to new pages, I am going to start with page 174, Sleep with the Journal. As you guys saw, I did sleep with the journal last episode, and I did promise to decorate it this episode. So, here we go. Next page is page 121. Close your eyes, connect the dots from memory. Okay guys, I know you can't see, but I promise my eyes are closed. So, here we go. How did I do? I'm going to open my eyes now. Epic fail. But it has to get decorated. The next page is page 91. Trace the things in your bag or pockets. Let the lines overlap. Okay. So, moving right along, the next page is page 31. Draw lines while in motion, on the bus, on a train, while walking. So, we're taking it outside. The next page is this one, page 81, Drip Something Here. Ink, paint, tea, close the book to make a print. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so let's go back over the pages I did so far. I started with this page. I used some acrylic paint and I was torn between drawing a sleeping bear or a unicorn, but decided on the unicorn. And I wrote the word dreamer because she's a cute little dreamer, and I stuck on some silver stars. This was the next page. I did some soot sprites and I think these little guys are just so cute. I may actually do them on something else like a t-shirt or maybe a water bottle. I'm not sure yet, but I'll see. And then we have this page where I traced and colored in all the stuff that was in my bag with pencil crayons. This page actually took me quite a while to do, but I got it done. Next was Draw Lines While in Motion page. I honestly did not know what to do for this page, so I just watercolored the background. I drew these, cut them out, and stuck them on. And for the lines, I colored them in rainbow to make it look like a rainbow trail thing. I don't know. And this page where I just used some watercolors. It's pretty plain right now and I don't have the packing tape over it because I will most likely decorate it off camera and show it to you guys next episode. And the last page I'm going to do today is an easy one, page 155. Lose this page, throw it out, accept the loss. But before I do that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have been enjoying these episodes, and see you next week. Oh my gosh. I'm never gonna have a basketball career.